What's up, guys? So we're at the autocross event. It's the first day with the Miata. It's out of frame right now. It's right there. We got the S2000 though. Ian barely missed the cutoff for signing up for it, right? Yeah. This is ghetto as
So I found I had the opportunity to get off of work about 11 o'clock last night. I found out I was too late to register, so I missed the event. So that's unfortunate. I would have loved to come out here and destroy Gabe any day, but it doesn't happen like that sometimes. We got lucky. How you think you're gonna do, Gabe?
I'm just gonna send it. Goal today is not to be the last car or the slowest car. That's the goal. As long as what?
In the whole event.
As long as I'm not the last person, we're good. Second to last, that's fine. We need an actual like microphone. So it's really windy outside, so hopefully the audio doesn't go to shit. Yeah, so we're gonna go and walk the course, do the meetings, and get ready. I'm excited. All right, guys, so we're at the starting line right now. We're only doing half the day because we all got f***ing work, of course. All of us have work. The Miata passed tech with flying colors, as Joe said. There is no issues with it. We're missing the floor mats. I need to vacuum this thing, dude. It's not as bad as the Jeep, though. There's no heroin spoons in here. Yeah, I'm really excited. The course is big as hell compared to Texas Motor Speedway.
It's huge.
It's very big. I wish you had a microphone in your helmet, too. Joe's helping us out with the camera stuff today. I have no idea how the audio is on there, but... Oh, yeah, we gotta get that thumbnail, right? That's right.
Oh, there's a Subi.
I can hear it. Cool.
I'm gonna see where they'll let me stand so I can get as close to the track without being yelled at. I'm gonna ask.
All right, appreciate it. Guys, Joe is always awesome. He's always helping out with filming and whatnot. Make sure you go drop a follow. Thanks, Joe. I can't cuss because YouTube guidelines. Oh crap. Oh, shite myself. All right, guys, we are at the starting line.
He's about to have a heart attack.
Dude, my heart's like, but I think we can beat this ST. I believe. I hope we can beat him. I don't want to hit him.
Are you okay with that photographer there? Yeah, he's cool.
He doesn't like Joe there. He didn't like Joe there. He's like, what? He's like, why is Joe there?
Are you a novice?
Nah.
Get an instructor.
Okay, let's go.
Good start.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna take the first lap a little bit. Nah, fuck that. Okay, so I gotta go through this.
Got it.
Fuck, drifting it, god. Pretty good so far, pretty good. It's not my fault I'm going sideways. Here's the song. I think I hit it. So much oversteer, Jesus.
What the hell?
I keep on hitting the horn. Yes!
Damn, yeah, that was a fast ass run. what was your time?
I don't know.
Roll up. 99?
Holy sh! I don't know if that's good or not. Should I go back?
Edwards finishes with a 99.139, putting him in 6th place.
You tied with an RX-7.
To find 12.2 seconds to catch Ray Gibson in 5th.
Alright, we're on run number 2 now.
first time with a 99.977, but still missing the gate of something somewhere with.
God damn it! So this is the damn drifter, man. Oh, that was terrible. Fuck, that was so bad. Oh shit! Fucking damn. We're good. Oh my god. I'm just curious how bad that was. That big Dude, you need some wider tires. Oh my god, 102. Wow, there's only 3 seconds difference.
Gabriel Edwards on his second run. Goes a little bit slower with a 102.778.
I know. Don't rub it in.
It's not helping this time. He hangs on to 7th place over Mike Miller.
Alright guys, run 3. I guess my microphone came out last time, so hopefully it doesn't happen again. We'll see though. Definitely some room for improvement there. He's holding on to the door handle with his life.
I know. Fuck.
Alright, a little bit more mature that time. Okay, I'm gonna touch 3rd gear here, and then right about.
Don't fuck up. There you go. Keep it tight. Tight. Gas. That was pretty.
That was probably the fastest one. 95! Yes!
Better.
What am I in now?
You gotta hit the 80s before you get good.
Gabriel Edwards on his 3rd run takes back over 7th place.
Takes back over 7.
At 95.229.
Good deal. Alright guys, we're on the 4th run. We got a Porsche behind us. Hell yeah. That's awesome.
Hopefully don't catch us, Gabe.
I know, right?
We got a Porsche chasing down a stock Miata. This should be good.
I hear that lifter tick though. It's got a mean lifter tick. Alrighty.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Go.
Alright, we're gonna stay in 2nd for this upcoming turn right here. Wide right turn.
Don't slide.
I'm trying not to slide this time. Sliding is definitely not the fastest way, but it's definitely the most fun. Or should we say the funnest? Alright, brake hard right here. Gas out of the turn. Still goes sideways, of course. This thing drifts so well for being an open diff. Surprisingly. God.
I feel like this one's pretty quick though. Did I hit the cone?
No, you're good.
All right, on the slaloms, I'm gonna try my best to not go sideways, because that's what's eating my time up right now. All right, gonna touch third right here, and right about here start braking, downshifting into second, minimize the oversteer. Ah, shit. Yes, I didn't hit it.
Oh God, let's see.
All right, the time to beat was 95.
That seemed a lot tighter. Yeah, you beat it.
94, yes. All right, I think that's it.
That's it.
Gabriel Edwards comes to the lights on his fourth and final run in the morning with a 94.738.
Hell yeah.
Leading on to seventh place over Michael.
That was awesome. And holy crap, does this thing need some tires and some coilovers and an LS swap and a whole bunch of other stuff?
That Porsche was not far behind. Holy crap.
What did the Porsche run? 84?
Damn, dude, he let him go way behind you.
I know, for real. Okay, that was awesome. Unfortunately, I think that's all we're gonna have for today, I think. Am I right? Probably, yeah. So, cool. Let's head back to the pits.
All right, guys. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, all of us literally had to go to work. Like, I had to work at 2, Ian had to go to work at 1. We had to leave early, so we only had the first half of the day. We only had 4 runs. But overall, I'm really happy with my times, being the first event in over a year for me, and also the first event with this particular car. I'm pretty happy with what happened. What was also interesting is we were the only stock Miata out there. I'm gonna share with y'all how many different cars we beat. I'm gonna take the best time I had, which was on my 4th run. I ran a, what was it? 94.738. So stock Miata, obviously a lot of these times come down to more than just the car, but the driver. So I'm not trying to be like humble bragging or anything, but I feel like higher up there with how fast I'm able to drive as far as my ability to, compared to some of the other people with the faster cars with slower times. So again, like, these times don't just reflect like, oh, my car is better than theirs. It also comes down to how much practice they have. I do a lot of driving, and I have a, not trying to brag, but anyways, on my 4th run, as we saw in the video, I ran a 94.738, which meant I beat two Miatas. We beat a 2017 Mini, which those are pretty cool. 2013 Subaru STI, an orange 2010 Chevrolet Camaro, and a 2003 Honda S2000. Yeah, that's pretty much all I beat for the 4th run. The good news is we beat my goal, or I was able to achieve my goal of not being the last car in the event, like not being the slowest car in the event. Really happy with how it went. It was a ton of fun, and we have some really fun plans for the Miata coming soon. We got a lot of comments while we were there, like, yo, is that car completely stock, or what do you have done to it? We're like, nothing. Like, the car didn't even have tires. Like it had tires, but not like performance tires. I have a tire shop up the road that hooked us up with some used economy tires. So all these times were done on used economy tires, which still had good tread depth, but they're used, and stock suspension, stock engine. You already know that. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, I know we haven't really done like something like this in a long time. I personally really enjoy stuff like this, but let me know in the comments below what y'all think of this style of video, and I will see y'all next time. Oh, also giveaway winner. Let's do that real quick. All right, guys. So I know we were doing a giveaway. We're gonna go ahead and pick the winner right now. Again, all you had to do to enter was on the video that we mentioned it, which I think it was the last video. No, it was 2 videos ago. The video that we mentioned it on, you just had to like the video, subscribe, and follow the Instagram. Basic YouTuber for giveaways, but it's great for boosting followers on Instagram, for being completely honest. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winner right now. So the way I'm gonna do this is very simple. I have the page pulled up right here. I'm literally just gonna scroll up and down for like a minute while like I'm not looking at it, and just pick one. So yeah, the people on top and bottom probably don't have an equal chance of winning this. We're just gonna do it like this to see how it works. Actually, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna turn my head here to make this completely fair. I'm left-handed, this sucks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through it real quick. And I'm just gonna pick one. Okay, I just picked on one, and it is Brian Jones, XCEL Street. Let's see if it focuses there. All right, congratulations, Brian. I'll be sending you a DM. Make sure to get back with us pretty soon so we can get your merch shipped to you. Again, guys, we're gonna be doing a lot more of these giveaways. It's a great way to get free stuff. Just stay tuned. Make sure you watch all the uploads, and we'll probably do another one probably this week. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that's all I got for y'all today. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. Yada, 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 yada. Peace out. See y'all probably in 2 days from now. Hopefully tomorrow. See you guys.